So now I could probably sit down and play the game. So you never know. I don't know, yo. Hold up. I gotta straighten up my camera. It might fall back. I don't know. But let's try the lighting. I cracked my neck. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But that's in the video now. Ready. Yeah, it's not clear enough. But oh, it's like a positive right there. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it like that, right? Alright. Go to settings. Go to picture, expert settings. Then backlight. I don't know. Dang. My voice is like, I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. So, excuse my voice, you know. Trying to get this thing going. Hold up. Ooh. Or maybe it's not the TV. Maybe it's my iPad. It's too bright on my iPad. So, hold on. Yeah, it's too bright on my iPad. Hold on. I'll be back.